Let's learn how to view TikTok profiles without them knowing. If you want to see someone's profile without them knowing that you did it but don't know how, you don't need to worry anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the TikTok app. Once you open TikTok, you'll be on the home page, and if you enter someone's profile, they will be able to see that you did it. To turn this off, you need to click on the profile option located in the bottom right corner of the screen. When you click that, a page will open where your profile will be displayed. On that page, you need to click on steps or eye icon located next to the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. When you click that, a page will open where you can see who has viewed your profile. Likewise, when you view someone else's profile, they can see who viewed their profile. But if you want to turn this off, the next thing you need to click is the settings icon located in the top right corner of the screen. When you click that, a menu will appear where you'll have only one option. You need to turn off that one option by clicking the button next to it. When you turn it off, you won't be able to see who viewed your profile, but when you enter someone's profile, they won't be able to know that you did it. This was a tutorial on how to view someone's profile without their knowledge. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.